Pain of any kind is no fun, but knee pain especially is a dangerous kind of pain. Why? Because it makes everything very difficult, from walking to climbing stairs to even sitting for a longer period of time. In this video, I am not going to talk about what causes knee pain and what are some of the precautions that you should take to avoid that. But in this video, I'm going to show you some exercises and also comment on what foods to eat and what to avoid to get rid of that knee pain. Some people opt to have knee replacement surgery done to get rid of the pain. But even after the surgery, your pain will last from 6 months to 1 year and in some cases even longer. So guys, before you decide to have that knee replacement surgery done either for yourself or for a loved one, watch this video, try this remedy and exercises for just 5 days and see the difference in the amount of pain. See the huge difference it makes in your pain level. Welcome back to Super Cool Mom channel again, and let me show you how to do and what to do to get rid of that knee pain in just 5 days. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you about some of the things that you will have to eat to reduce this knee pain. Soak about half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in 1/4 cup of lukewarm water overnight. In the morning, drink this water before you eat or drink anything, and then eat the seeds by chewing them slowly and thoroughly. Why? Because fenugreek seeds are rich in fiber and antioxidants. They help with digestion and flush out toxins, but they are also anti-inflammatory, which means they reduce inflammation and hence reduces knee pain. Do these two things for your afternoons. Take 2 to 3 drumsticks, boil it. You can also steam it if you want. Remove the pulp and the seeds. Mash this up with water, warm it, make it like a soup, and have this soup every afternoon. Why? Because drumsticks not only help with weight loss, they also lower blood sugar and they are also anti-inflammatory. They are a powerhouse of vitamins, calcium, iron, magnesium. Just look on your screen. Besides, they are also low in fat and they contain no harmful cholesterol. Now once you're done with your drumstick soup, do this. Take 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Please remember that your yogurt is not sour. And then add 1 to 2 pinch of food grade calcium carbonate powder. This is also known as khawa no chuno in Gujarati. Mix it well and you consume this every afternoon. Calcium carbonate powder contains a high level of calcium, about 40% of elemental calcium. Now for your nighttime routine before you go to bed. Take a handful of roasted chana. These are available in any Indian store and are also available on Amazon. If you don't like the chana with skin, then you can also have the chana without skin, but with skin are preferable. Eat this with a handful of gur or jaggery before going to bed by chewing it very slowly and thoroughly. Just a handful, not more. Why? Because chana is a very good source of protein and fiber and is anti-inflammatory. Gur is also a very good source of iron, contains a lot of antioxidants and is also anti-inflammatory, so it helps reduce your inflammation and helps with your knee pain. Now once you're done eating your gur and chana, do this. Take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger powder and add this to 1 cup of warm milk. And drink this before going to bed by sipping it slowly. Do not rush it, do not chug it. Sip it slowly. Why? Because turmeric and ginger are both anti-inflammatory. They help in reducing muscle pain and soreness, and they also keep your blood sugar level steady. Also helps you sleep better at night. Benefits all around. So that was the first thing that you had to do, food. Now the second thing that we are going to do is exercise. So let's get started on that. So the first exercise is sit straight on a chair. Keep your spine straight. Do not sit too forward or do not lean into the chair, otherwise this will be difficult. Now take a newspaper and place it between your knees. Now bring your legs up and down, but you have to make sure that the newspaper between your knees does not fall off. You have to do this for 50 times. This does not take more than 5 minutes. So do this exercise. This is your first one. Now for your second exercise, lie down on your front. You can lie down on a bed or a couch or a bench, whatever is comfortable for you. Lie down on your front. Align your knees with the edge of the bed. Once your knees are aligned properly, bend your knees and bring the heel of your feet towards your buttocks. So bring your legs up and down in this position for 50 times. Again, this does not take more than 5 minutes. Now for your third exercise. Sit straight on a bed or a couch. If you need, you can have back support. Make sure to keep your spine straight. Now, roll up a towel. Place the rolled towel between your knees. Now with your hands, push your knees towards each other with the towel in between your knees. Do this for 50 times. Again, this takes less than 5 minutes for you to do. So for your fourth exercise, sitting straight on the bed, you can now put that rolled towel under your knees. Keeping the bottom of your feet together, lift your feet up and down. So the rolled towel under your knees, lift your feet up and down. Do this again for 50 times, and again this takes less than 5 minutes. Now for your fifth and last exercise, keep sitting in the same position that you are. Place the rolled towel under your ankles. Once that's done, raise your legs in a way that you can feel your kneecap being stretched. Do this for 20 times. So those are the two things taken care of. Now let's get to the third point of acupressure points. So let's get started with our acupressure points. We are going to do acupressure on our hand fingers. You will ask why hand fingers? Because our entire body is connected. So take your second finger, which is your middle finger, and your third finger, which is your ring finger, and we'll do acupressure points on that. Now take the knuckle of your middle finger in your right hand, so the knuckle of your left middle finger in your right hand, and now twist that knuckle back and forth for 2 minutes. Put on a timer, don't cheat, do it for 2 minutes. Then do the same thing with the ring finger of your left hand for another 2 minutes. Repeat this with the middle and the ring finger on your right hand for another 2 minutes. So those are the three things that we have taken care of. Now let's look at some of the foods that you have to avoid and some of the foods that you have to eat to make sure that your knee pain gets reduced dramatically. So what are some of the foods that you have to avoid? Sugar, especially in baked goods and refined carbohydrates like white bread. Salt. Take as much less salt as you can in your food. Do not add salt on top of salads or any other food while you're eating it. Absolutely avoid processed and prepackaged foods as they are very high in salt. Omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-3 is good for you, Omega-6 fatty acids are really not good for your knee pain. These are mostly found in cooking oil. Examples are sunflower oil and corn oil. So less oil in your food. The fourth thing you have to avoid eating is sour stuff like tamarind, tomatoes, lime or lemon, and oranges, especially at night. And avoid eating right before going to bed. Now here's a list of some of the foods that you must consume to help with your knee pain. Fruits such as raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, red and black grapes, avocados, and watermelon are very good for you. Green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and spinach. Food that contains fiber, for example, psyllium husk. Spices like turmeric and dry ginger powder. And low-fat dairy products such as low-fat cow milk, low-fat cheese, and low-fat yogurt. These are some of the foods that you can consume which are an excellent source of nutrients, but they are also good for your knee pain and helps with the inflammation, and it also reduces your knee pain. And now what is the fifth and the last thing that's really important? Weight. If you are overweight, do not ignore that. Weight makes a huge difference, just not in terms of your knee pain, but also for your overall health. I have posted links for my other video on how to lose weight without exercising in the comments section below. Do take a look at it. And also please remember to think positively. Keep saying, I am getting better. I will be in less pain from now on. The power of positive thinking is mind-blowing. So do not give up on that. Apply this power of positive thinking towards your knee pain and watch the miracle happen. Guys, this has really happened. People have experienced less knee pain, their knee pains disappeared when they have done these 5 things regularly, just for 5 days. So please give it a go. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. I guarantee with this channel you will have fun with knowledge. Bye. Have yourself a great day.